Hello everyone, my name is Manisha and you're watching our YouTube channel Punishka Tutorials. In our last video we have learned about addition of two rational numbers. Similarly, we can add more than two rational numbers using the same concepts. Now let us go through some of the properties of addition of rational numbers. Before starting, we have to know that 0 is a special rational number which can be written in the form 0 upon q, where q is not equal to 0. Let's begin. Consider any two rational numbers a upon b and c upon d. Then first property is closure property. The addition of any two rational numbers is a rational number. Okay, if we add both the two rational numbers a upon b plus c upon d, where a upon b and c upon d are different rational numbers, when we add such rational numbers, the answer, the sum obtained is also a rational number. Example, if we add 3 upon 4 plus 5 upon 7, we get a rational number 41 upon 28. Okay, the sum which we get by adding the two given rational number is also a rational number. Second property, commutativity. Two rational numbers can be added in any order. If we add a upon b plus c upon d, or we add c upon d plus a upon b, okay, if we interchange the position of the rational number, the sum still remains the same. Associativity, okay, if there are three rational numbers a upon b, c upon d, e upon f, then if we add first two rational number and then we add the third rational number, or when we add the second and third rational number and later on we add it to the first rational number, the sum still remains the same. Okay, that means for any three rational numbers, while adding three or more rational numbers, they can be grouped in any order. The sum will not change. Let us understand this with the help of example. Suppose if you want to add 4 upon 7 minus 5 upon 12, 9 upon minus 11. Okay, if we group the first two rational number together and then add the third rational number. Example, 48, after grouping first two rational number, we'll get 48 minus 35 upon 84. Okay, which is equal to 13 upon 84. Then plus 9 upon minus 11, the third rational number, we'll get the result as minus 613 upon 924. Now if we consider the second case, we group the second and third rational number together. In that case, answer becomes 4 upon 7 plus minus 55 minus 108 upon 132. We had made the denominator common and then added the numerators. We'll get the value as 4 upon 7 plus minus 163 upon 132. Now we will add this to the first rational number. After solving, we will get the result as minus 613 upon 924. We can observe that if we group the first two rational number, the sum is minus 613 upon 924. And if we group the second and third rational number, still the answer is same. So it does not make any difference if we group the first two rational numbers together or the second and third rational numbers together. The sum still remains the same. This is known as associativity property of addition or subtraction. Now the property of 0. The sum of any rational number and 0 is a rational number itself. That means if a upon b is a rational number and if we add 0 to it, or to 0 we add rational number a upon b, the sum still remains the same, a upon b. A upon b plus 0 or 0 plus a upon b is equal to a upon b. Example, 7 upon 8 plus 0 is, we'll make the denominator common. 7 plus 0 is 7, common denominator 8, which is equal to 7 upon 8, which is the rational number itself. Okay. So whenever we add 0 to any rational number, the sum will be the rational number itself. Therefore 0 is called as the additive identity or the identity element for the addition of rational numbers. Property 5, existence of negative or the additive inverse of a rational number. If a upon b is a rational number, then if minus a upon b is a rational number such that a upon b plus minus of a upon b is equal to minus of a upon b plus a upon b is equal to 0. So the sum of two rational number is in such a way that if a upon b is a rational number, it is a positive rational number, and when we add to its negative form, okay, negative rational number, a upon b is there, we may add minus a upon b. In that case, minus a upon b is called the negative of a upon b. Okay, you have to see that only the sign is changed and the numerical part of the rational number is still the same. Okay, the sign difference is only there, minus a upon b and a upon b. If we add both these two rational number, the sum is 0, then it is called the additive inverse of a upon b. Minus a upon b is called additive inverse of a upon b, and vice versa is also true. Minus a upon b is negative additive inverse of a upon b. Similarly, a upon b is also additive inverse of minus a upon b. If minus a upon b is a negative of a upon b, then a upon b is the negative of minus a upon b, that is a upon b is equal to minus of minus a upon b. We have 0 plus 0 is equal to 0, which is equal to 0 plus 0. That means sum of two zeros is 0, which is equal to sum of two zeros. That means we have changed the order. So 0 is the additive inverse of itself. 0 is the only rational number which is the additive inverse of its own. Example, 7 upon 8 is there. So additive inverse of 7 upon 8 is minus 7 upon 8. Okay, so whatever rational number is there, you will keep the numerical value of the rational number as it is. You will just change the sign of it to get the additive inverse. Additive inverse of a upon b will be minus a upon b, and additive inverse of minus a upon b will be a upon b. If you have any doubt in these properties, do tell us in the comment section. If you have any doubt in any of the sums which you are solving, that also you will let us know. We will help you out in solving those sums. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.